Welcome to AI Future Insights, where the future doesn't just arrive, it uploads. Every day the world upgrades itself with new tools, new breakthroughs, and new possibilities. Most people see the news, but miss the impact. Here, we decode the real shift, the ideas that rewrite industries, the AIs that work while you sleep, and the technology that changes how humans think, build, and create. If you're ready to stay ahead of the future, not follow it, but lead it, you're in the right place. Alright, here's what's actually new and worth your time today. There's a brand new all-in-one AI workspace called GenSpark that chains multiple top models together, launches smart agents into your workflow, and delivers finished work you can hand to a client instantly. I'm talking slides built from a short brief, websites created from a single prompt, brand assets generated from one reference image, and even AI-assisted phone calls with transcripts waiting in your inbox. And this isn't hype, it's shipping right now. A tiny 30-person team hit $1 billion valuation in just 6 months, raised over $200 million led by LG Technology Ventures with SBI Japan, and expanded into Singapore and Japan. Why? Because the thing actually does the work, not just suggest it. GenSpark's core idea is simple. One workspace that orchestrates multiple AI models and tools so you finish work in one place instead of tab-hopping across ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, VO 3.1, design apps, doc editors, and slide builders. It uses a multi-agent flow that runs models in parallel, auto-prompts when your instructions are vague, cross-checks outputs, picks the best direction, and then executes with the right tool. It feels like going from, give me ideas, right pointing arrow, deliver the finished file. Pricing is freemium with one simple subscription at $19.99, unlocking all models, no need to pay for 5 overlapping tools anymore. Feature 1, AI Inbox. AI Inbox is the first big highlight. It cleans your email chaos instantly, summarizes threads, generates replies in your tone, converts long email discussions into ready-to-present slides, schedules agents to check for updates, track deadlines, and generate drafts automatically. Inbox right pointing arrow, slides right pointing arrow, docs right pointing arrow, done. Everything is connected. No exporting, no copy-paste. Feature 2, Teams. Next comes Teams, shared projects with real-time co-editing across slides, docs, sheets, designs, and even video. But the key difference? The AI lives inside the file itself. Drop a brief on slide 6, and the AI rewrites slide 7 in context while you adjust layout. Permissions, versions, live presence, everything works like modern collaboration, but with agents that actually take action. AI slides, build decks instantly, feed it an outline, a PDF, a messy file, or even a screenshot, and it creates a structured deck using 100+ templates. You get consistent typography, polished layouts, smart visuals, generated charts, and quick fact-check for web stats. Exports to PPTX, PDF, or Google Slides. Select an area, describe the change, the AI edits it. Zero friction. AI developer, zero code website, app builder. Describe your idea, provide a reference URL or image, and it builds functional layouts instantly. It learns spacing, color rhythm, navigation, UX patterns, everything. Perfect for landing pages, dashboards, internal tools, all without writing a single line of code. AI Designer, brand kits in minutes. Drop a single sentence or reference image. It generates logos, posters, packaging, social templates, illustrations, and photo real product shots. Multiple variations up front, text-guided edits on the canvas, and an entire visual identity in an afternoon. Special action agent, call for me, makes outbound calls, records transcripts, emails summaries, download for me, bulk file collection, AI pods, podcast-style audio generation, AI image and AMP, video, switch models for style, motion quality. These agents don't just create content, they handle real-world tasks. Super agents, your custom AI employees with one paragraph prompt. You can create your own automation bot, weekly report generator, stock analyst, research assistant, newsletter writer, meme generator, anything. The system picks the models, tools, routines, and makes it callable via @agent name. You can publish it in the Super Agent Store too. Pricing that finally makes sense. One subscription, right pointing arrow, all tools plus all models. GPT, Claude, Gemini, Vo, Nano Banana, everything under $20. Normally you pay that for one model alone. Conclusion: inbox clears your chaos. Slides build themselves. Designer fills visuals. Developer ships pages. Agents keep everything moving. It's practical automation that saves hours, and it's clearly the direction AI workspaces are heading. Try Inbox and Teams first, then explore the rest. You'll feel the difference immediately. If you found value in this breakdown, don't forget to like the video, drop a comment, subscribe to AI Future Insights, and share this video with someone who needs smarter AI workflows. Thanks for watching, stay ahead, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next one.